Okay, everybody's found this test pretty hard. So we'll go through, try and identify as we go through what things that I'm showing you here are the things that you didn't see to start with. This is a differential equation. What's the first thing we try to do with a differential equation? X's and Y's, yes. Separate the variables. So we've got all the X's on one side, all the Y's on another side. I would keep the Y's on the left because there's a dy on the top of the fraction there. So this cos squared y, I would bring down here. And then that dx can go there. So we separate the variables and then we integrate. So that's where you should be heading first of all. So, can you integrate 1 over cos squared y?
If you change it.
If you change it to what?
Sec squared y.
Yeah. So what we need to do here is use the fact that 1 over cos y equals sec y. And the way that you can do it with the trig formula. So 1 over cos squared y will be sec squared y. So you can change that integral to the integral of sec squared y dy. And over here you can put a 1 in there if you want to. That's when you can use the formula book. If you look in the formula book, it tells you that when you integrate sec squared, you get tan. And on the right hand side, integrate 1 with respect to x, you get x. And I finish my integration, so I need a plus c. I said I wanted it as x equals a function of y, so keep the x where it is, and all you need to do then is just move that c to the other side. It doesn't matter whether it's a plus c or a minus c, it's just some number. And there is your answer. X equals a function of y. Oh right, okay, sorry, yes, I've only got so far, thank you. Yes, we are then told we need a particular solution, thank you. So we are now told that y equals 0 when x equals 1. So if you substitute that in, we get 1 equals tan of 0 plus c. What's tan 0? 0. So that means that 1 equals c, so c equals 1. So the final answer is x equals tan of y plus 1. And there is the final answer for that question. So if I go through the marking for this one, I came up with, first of all, there were 3 marks if you got to that stage. And there were 4 marks if you got to that stage. So up here, I think...
4 altogether.
Yeah, 4 altogether. So first of all, from getting to there, which is separating the variables and knowing you've got to integrate, if you got that far, have a mark. If you were able to realise that that is what you needed to do there, you can have 2 marks. So 1 mark for getting up to there, 2 marks for getting to there, 3 marks for getting to there, 4 marks for getting to the end.